I have no money. I have no capital. But if I had money, maybe I would start business A, B, C, D. It's a lie. What if I told you that lack of money is not the reason why most people don't start businesses? Some of the most profitable businesses today, they don't start with cash. They start with positioning, access, and consistency. If you are in Uganda or outside Uganda, you're somewhere and you feel like you're so stuck. You need something to start. You need a business, but you have nothing. This video is for you. Today I'm sharing 7 real businesses you can start with zero capital. Hey family, welcome back to BeckyBrilliant Finance. If you're new here, you're so welcome. Sit down. Here we talk about money, mindset, and building financial stability, especially for Ugandans and Africans abroad and home. Business 1, brokerage or connector business. This is the most of underrelatable businesses. And what you don't know, you just don't need a product. You don't buy stock. You simply connect buyers to sellers and you earn commission. And most people here think that brokers are only for the land. Yes, there is connecting land buyers to the land sellers. You're connecting renters to landlords. Connecting suppliers to customers. Also, there is connecting job seekers to employers. So it means brokers are not only for the land. They connect to different things. You may be knowing jobs, maybe you start connecting people to the employers. Your business is trust plus network. Business 2, order-based reselling or drop shipping. How does this work? You advertise a product or item on your WhatsApp status, your TikTok account, your Instagram account, your Facebook account. You don't have that product. You are just advertising. Maybe you take pictures from people's shops or pictures on online shopping. Some people, what they do, actually I know most people doing this. What they do, they can take pictures from shop, good pictures, and make sure you deliver something that is real and good products, because you have to build trust. So what you do here, you go in the shop, you take pictures of good products of people, maybe what they want. Here you have to identify what exactly you're going to be dealing with. If it is clothes or food items or farm products, whatever case, you do that. Go take good pictures from where you're going to be getting them. So after taking pictures, you post them on your status. And then others, what they do, they do pictures, maybe they order online, like on Shein, Temu, and other online shopping and other online shopping. So they take those pictures from there. Once a person orders something, then you also go and get it from shop where you took the picture from. Or if it is online, then you start ordering them from online. Make sure here the person has paid full payment and make sure you deliver the best, because once you're trustworthy, those people, those customers will bring more other people to order with you. As you can see, you don't need a shop. You don't need any stock. You need no capital, because your customers' payment runs the business. Business 3, market errands for people abroad or within the country. This is a very powerful diaspora business. How it works: you run errands on behalf of people abroad or people locally who are busy. They don't have that time to go in a market and buy this or do this. Or people abroad, they need people to help them go on check on their property or check on their children in schools or in the village, checking on their parents, or even people who are busy. All they need is someone to help them do certain things. They send money, you execute, you report back. So that's how it works. All you have to do is make sure you're trustworthy, because they need report. You keep communicating, you coordinate with them via WhatsApp or on calls, whatever way they want communication to be. Make sure you're good at communication, because you have to make good communication with them. Make sure when they send money, you keep communicating with them. If they need something, checking on their property, take pictures, do video calling, or if it's market, someone has sent you to the market, do video calling, show them what exactly, if this is exactly what they want, or if they are busy and they just ask them what exactly they want you to do for them. Keep communication and make sure you do exactly what they want and do it excellently. People abroad pay for trust plus convenience, not a product. Business 4, content-based business. Yes, content creation. I know most of you know some people who are getting good money from content creation. Even professionals can't get that amount of money monthly or annually. This is a really business, not hobby. You can start with platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You don't need money, you need consistency. How do they make money from content? Because income comes from ads, brand deals, consultation, and digital products. It may be slow at first, but this is powerful for long term. Business 5, school run or child pickup business. This is really high demand business, especially in cities. How it works: you help busy parents to pick and drop their children from school. Parents pay monthly once the trust is built. Why this works? Parents are busy. Safety and reliability matters more than price. Once trusted, this becomes stable monthly income. Business 6, senior care or home care business. This is huge both in towns and villages. How it works: you coordinate care for elderly parents, especially for people abroad or working full time. Why it works: most people are busy and they need someone to help them take care of their elderly parents or sickly parents, and you find they don't have that time. They need someone to be trusted to do services like check on them, or also medication reminders, cleaning and companionship, giving them company, especially if they are sickly parents, or reporting to their family abroad. Some people abroad, they need someone to keep giving them report about their parents, how they are doing, are they fine, especially if they are so old, like they are elderly and maybe they are sickly. You don't have to be the one doing all this. You can organize caregivers and you earn a fee. Finally, business 7, knowledge business, selling your knowledge. Yes. How does this work? You already have knowledge about something. Maybe you have knowledge of how to make makeup. You have knowledge of how to do styling, hairstyling. You have knowledge on how to make cookies, how to do this and that. You already have knowledge about financial literacy. You know how to coach, about teach this and that. You may think that what you know, someone else know. We don't know. People don't know what you know. So you can sell your knowledge. But here what I encourage, you have to first sell that knowledge through people who know you. Once you have a community, you can extend it to other people. You can start with teaching people maybe for free. Then with time it pays, because those people can recommend you, and make sure you are selling the knowledge you are sure about. If you're telling people about financial literacy, make sure you're telling them the truth. Don't lie. Tell them the real thing. Also, what you can do here, you can make good research. Yes, you know how to make hair. You know how to make hairstyles. You know how to do makeup. You know how to cook cookies, how to do this and that. Anything you know about, first get enough knowledge before you teach others. Because when you teach the things that are also improving them, they will recommend to others, and that's good of it. So don't sit with your knowledge. teach someone about that knowledge, and at the end there is a fee they will give you. You don't need capital to start teaching what you already know. Yes. Last year, all I needed was how to do makeup and how to do wig installation. You see, and someone knew it and they taught me. So, and you pay them at the end. So you don't need, if you really have knowledge already, don't sit with it. Make sure you teach someone and get money out of it. Hope now you see that all businesses have already said there is nothing that needs even a coin to start with. Here, when I say zero capital, doesn't mean zero effort. So your effort is needed, but no any money needed to start such businesses. It means you replace money with time, consistency, and discipline. People fail not because businesses are not working, but because they quit so early. So if you found this video so hopeful, make sure you like and share with your friends whom you really know and believe that they need to start something, even if they don't have any money. And don't forget to make a comment below. Which businesses are you starting in 2026? And don't forget to leave a subscribe so that you don't miss my next video. See you next Friday. Bye-bye.